And that just starts with this first question is why can't you get premium medical equipment through insurance? So I have a list of questions because one thing that I see a lot of is when people come in or I get phone calls, or people come in, they bring a prescription. They, a lot of times they have specifics, right? They have, I'm looking for this specific thing, right? I'm looking for this particular bed, or I'm looking for this particular wheelchair by this name and brand. But unfortunately, I always have to tell them that the way the insurance is designed is that even though they cover the title, like the umbrella of wheelchair, hospital bed, that doesn't mean that they cover everything under that category. So I'm saying is that the insurance is becoming more of a necessity based system where it's the most minimal basic thing possible to get by. And that just starts with this first question is why can't you get premium medical equipment through insurance?
Well, because the reimbursement rate isn't there to cover that. So I'll give you an example. If you are in need of a we'll just use, I like to use rollators because it kind of gives you the story, right? So basically, if you notice, you'll see people with rollators, which are nice, they're fine, but there's other premium rollators that if you put them side by side, you can just tell the difference with the quality versus just standard or the basic, right? And even though that basic one is doing, the job, but it's not as premium as, it's not premium at all. It's not premium like other ones that you would see. And so sometimes, unfortunately, we will have clients that come in and they will see them side by side, and they'll say, oh, I want to get, I have this prescription, I want to go through my insurance, and they're looking at it and they're like, well, I would like to get this one here. And then we have to explain to them, unfortunately, I'm sorry, but this one here is not, we can't give you this one under the insurance. Now, if you wanted to do an upgrade, depending on what it is, what's going on, we may do those sometimes. But ultimately, it's about the reimbursement is why we're not able to give them the premium type of product.